Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new lavender infused spa gift set that I got. So if you are looking for like a gift idea for a friend, a family member, a loved one, this thing is really wonderful. Let me close it up here. So first off, it comes in this beautiful gift box. So you don't even have to wrap it. It is magnet right here, so it's going to close. And so we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you everything inside. So this is everything you need for a lavender infused spa moment, bath time, whatever. So we have hand soap, a bath bomb. We have bath oils, bath soap, bath salts. And I mean, this stuff, you can smell the lavender coming out of it. We also have a lavender infused body scrub. You have the eye covers. What else? It also has this little sachet bag that you can keep stuff in. And if you're going to give this as a gift to someone, it actually comes with a gift card. It says, especially for you. So yeah, I mean, I think this is great. I keep stuff like this on hand just to have as a rainy day gift if I ever have a gift need throughout the year. But I don't know. I love lavender. I love giving me some self-care spa days. So if you're looking for something as a gift idea or for yourself, I think this one makes a really great choice.